The Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has given Muslims another beautiful teaching to live their lives by. He taught that a true believer should always search for anything that is good and pure. He taught that wherever a Muslim comes across a word of wisdom or anything noble, he should treat it as his personal inheritance. Thus, with the same determination that a person seeks to acquire his rightful inheritance, Muslims are taught they should strive to obtain and benefit from wise counsel and goodness wherever it may be found. At a time when there are so many concerns about the integration of immigrants, what a beautiful and perfect guiding principle this is. Muslims have been taught that in order to integrate with their local societies and develop mutual respect, they should seek to learn about all of the good aspects of every society, every region, every city, and every country. And it is not enough to simply learn about such values, but Muslims must endeavor to adopt them into their own personal lives. This is guidance that truly inculcates togetherness and a spirit of mutual trust and love. Indeed, who can be more peace-loving than a true believer, who, apart from fulfilling the requirements of his faith, also tries to adopt all of the good aspects of his or any other society? Who can spread peace and security more than him? You should not consider the teachings of Islam to be dangerous or threat to Germany or to any other country. You should not be concerned about whether or not a Muslim can integrate into German society. As I have already said, a distinction of Islam is that it teaches Muslims to adopt all good things, and so there is no doubt that Muslims can integrate and live within any society. If somebody does something contrary to it, he is a Muslim by name, but not the follower of true teachings of Islam. Certainly, if Muslims are asked to do something that is not right, or are told to disregard the instructions of the Holy Quran relating to the principles of modesty, the modesty, the sanctity of the religion, or to act against righteousness, then they cannot do so. However, such matters are not a question of integration, but are actually about personal religious freedom.